Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kayla, and today I'm going to be doing another wash day video. So first I just want to say Happy New Year to all, and again thank you so much for clicking on this video. I had my hair in some knotless braids, so I just took them out the night before and then just put two little plaits in so that when it comes time for the washing part, it's easier. So my hair is not detangled at all. It's just in its natural state. So now I'm just wetting my hair down, making sure that the strands are saturated. I have low porosity hair, so this takes a little bit of time. And I'm just finger detangling because if you know me, you know I hate detangling. So I'm trying to, I guess, make this process easier. Already you can see I have a lot, well maybe not a lot yet, you'll see, but I have some shedding. And that's simply because I had my braids in for probably a month. So it makes sense to have this amount of shedding. So this video is going to be pretty similar to the other wash day video I already have on my channel. I'm following pretty much the same steps. The only difference is that I'm going to be using a new set of products. So I was sent products from Bread Beauty Supply Company, and I'm basically going to be giving you a review and telling you guys what I think about those products. So again, thank you so much to Bread for sponsoring this video. So first we're going to be starting off with the hair wash. It's a gentle milky hair cleanser for curl types 3A to 4C. It's silicone free and also sulfate free. The hair wash, it is very creamy. I'm showing you the texture here. Hopefully that's clear, but yeah, it's very light. It smells like, how do I describe it? Like, you know, when you eat, I don't know if you've ever had Fruit Loops, but kind of like the milk in the Fruit Loops, like, or the Fruit Loops in the milk. The leftover milk from the cereal. That's basically what it smells like. I actually really did enjoy the smell. But yeah, I actually like the cleanser. It's not really what's the word? The cleanser is very gentle, and I can tell that it didn't really make my hair too, it didn't strip my strands too much. So I felt like after using this, my hair was still moisturized, which I really appreciated. Now, on the packet it says to apply to wet hair in sections, gently lather and rinse. If you know me, I am pretty lazy, so I didn't really do the whole section thing. I just did 2 sections or like 2 halves. So yeah, but maybe if I had sectioned into 4 sections, it could have made a difference. Who knows? So while I'm shampooing my hair, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about the company itself. So Bread Beauty Supply Company is a black-owned business, and the founder is actually from Australia. This sounds a little closed-minded from my end, but honestly, I don't really even imagine black people when I think of Australia. I don't know, does anyone think the same way as me? I mean, I'm sure there's black people all over the world, but from Australia, that's pretty interesting. So yeah, the company was founded in 2020. It's not an old company, it's fairly new. And yeah, I was graciously sent the Wash Day Essentials Kit for curly textured hair. So that came with the wash, the hair mask, which I'm going to be using next, and then the hair oil, which I'm going to be using last. It also came with a scrunchie, which, well, not really I guess it is a scrunchie, which I didn't really show. I was supposed to insert a clip at the end, but yeah. It's just some white scrunchie. I can maybe try to insert a picture. So now we're going to be applying the hair mask. This is a creamy deep conditioner for curl types 3A to 4C. So one thing I would say about this packaging is, when your hands are wet, it's kind of hard to take these caps off, and it also is kind of hard to squeeze the products out of these little pouches. So maybe changing the packaging would make for easier use while in the shower. But yeah, that's just my 2 cents. So I'm gonna be using the hair mask. For me, sorry, I had to smell it again, but I actually don't really like the scent of this, but this was my favorite product out of the 3 that I was sent. So I felt like this hair mask gave the perfect amount of slip to my hair. When I start to detangle, you'll see how easy it is for me to detangle. I really love that so much. But yeah, the hair mask is really soft. It's pretty lightweight, which I did like. It didn't really weigh my hair down, but yeah, it made it so easy to detangle. So you'll see that in the next couple of clips. I know I am applying the conditioner or the hair mask now, but I just wanted to add that I did end up shampooing twice. I just cut that other clip out because I figured you guys wouldn't want to see that and it would just make the video unnecessarily long. So yes, I did shampoo twice. Just wanted to clarify that.
I started out, I just took what they gave me. No whip, got no keys. Taking my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as you can go, please. Got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. All of your glasses, I won't even peek at you. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna pee what I do, tryna steal my moves. Brand new whip, got no keys. Taking my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as you can go, please. Got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. All of your glasses, I won't even peek at you. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna pee what I do, tryna steal my moves. Hoje os cachorros de raça pega as cadelas no céu. All of your glasses, I won't even peek at you. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. Hoje os cachorros de raça pega as cadelas no céu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna pee what I do, tryna steal my moves. Se tem baile eu fico louco, louco e doido, nem me viu. Se tem baile eu fico louco, louco e doido, nem me viu. Putaria nessa porra, puta que pariu. Se tem baile eu fico louco e doido, nem me viu. Se tem baile eu fico louco e doido, nem me viu. Rendeu fio, rendeu fio. Se tem baile eu fico louco e doido, nem me viu. Rendeu fio, rendeu fio. Brand new whip, got no keys. Taking my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as you can go, please. Got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. All of your glasses, I won't even peek at you. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna pee what I do, tryna steal my moves. Brand new whip, got no keys. Taking my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as you can go, please. Got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. All of your glasses, I won't even peek at you. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna pee what I do, tryna steal my moves.
Okay, so I'm done washing it and deep conditioning it. This is the final results. Did you guys see how much shed hair I had? Is that normal? Oh my gosh, so much. But at this point, I'm most likely going to do my hair in a slick back bun because that's what I do, the style I typically do when I have plans. But before I do that, I wanted to show you guys that Bread also sent me this hair oil. And I'm gonna put that on my hair before I do the bun, if I can open it. Okay, there we go. I love this little top, it's so cute. The oil smells like candy. So every piece, like the shampoo, the hair mask, and this all smell different. yeah. So just putting. Oh shoot! I was actually spilling it all on the floor, but I don't know if you can even tell. I'm going to use a lot. I don't really like these kind of nozzles because it kind of hinders you from using them a lot. I'm really wasting this product, but yeah. Feels pretty nice. Let me just do this. Yeah, I'm definitely making a mess. Oh my gosh. I use that much oil. Okay, one thing I have to say, I use that much oil and my hair still feels kind of like dry. So I don't really understand what's happening. Not to say that oil should moisturize your hair, but the amount of oil that I used, I should see some bit of moisture, right? So this is my hair with the oil. I'm just gonna leave it at this point. Probably need to put a leave-in, well, definitely need to put in a leave-in conditioner. But like I said in my, if you watched my 5 minutes, was it 5 minutes? Yeah, 5 minutes slick back bun video. I like to put the oil first because when I put the oil right before the gel, I find that there's not as much hold for my bun. So yeah, I do that first and then I put the leave-in conditioner. But yeah, I'm so appreciative for Bread sending me these products to try out. I just want to reiterate that again. The shampoo, it didn't really have as much lather as I would have liked, but at the same time I did enjoy the lack of lather because it was easy to target my scalp and make sure that like I wasn't missing any spots. And then for the deep conditioner, I wasn't particularly fond of the smell, but after leaving it on for whatever amount of time, I think it was 5 minutes, and then rinsing it out, my hair felt very soft after that. So I did like that. And then lastly, the oil, I don't know exactly. Okay, so they have soybean oil, safflower oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, and then fragrance and some other seed oil, but it's the last ingredient, so the amount is probably negligible. But what I can say is, for my hair in particular, so castor oil is pretty low down in the list as well, and you can tell because this oil is not very thick. For my hair, I would prefer, if I'm like putting oil on my hair to do a style, I would prefer thicker oil. So that's one thing that I have to say about this, but that's just my preference. And then I don't really like this dispensing method. It's not really intuitive for, okay, maybe what I'm gonna say is it's not really intuitive for African American textured hair, because like these one little drops that come out at a time is not really doing anything for me. I will be here, like you saw, for 5 minutes trying to get this out. So I need like a squeeze bottle to like squeeze at a lot at one time. That would be super helpful. But I do understand that packaging is really nice and presentation is beautiful. So that's what I have to say about that. They also gave me a scrunchie, so that's really cute. But basically, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you've ever tried these products before, or if after watching this you will be interested in trying them. I'm gonna leave it all linked in the description box, so if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Also, if you watched my first wash day video, let me know if you noticed any differences with my hair between then and now. Like, I want to see what you guys think about it. Like, does my hair look different? I don't know. I haven't edited this yet, so I'm not really sure. But yeah, just let me know down below. I hope everyone is doing well, and thanks for clicking on this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.